morning. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. Hope you're all doing well, thriving, surviving. You know, have had a little bit of trouble making content because it's a weird time to put things out, but I thought, you know, what do I need to do in my life that would make me feel better and in return maybe help some of you guys feel inspired to clean up your space. So I really need to organize my house, like in a way of making everything functional, because I have yet to really do that. When we moved in, we just kind of picked places for things, but we didn't actually really think about it, I guess. So I'm really itching to like reorganize my whole kitchen. I need to organize my desk area. I want to reorganize my room and just like all these little areas and my closet. So those are like my 4 areas that I want to like take on today and like really make them look good. These are kind of therapeutic to watch. So hopefully this is entertaining for you to get a little peek into my disorganized life. And I'm gonna drink my coffee. Maybe look up some home inspo on IG while I drink it. And then we're gonna take it from there. I think plan of action is that I'm gonna open every single cabinet in my kitchen so I can see all the different things, types that I need to organize, and then try to go from there. I also just don't really have an organizational bone in my body. It doesn't come natural for me. I would say I live in chaos in my brain, but we're gonna give it my best college try.
I see you at some shore sometimes, and when you try to hide your eyes, yeah, I die. Yeah, I die. Yeah, I die. And I'll leave you to your own safe life, where puppies fly and you're just high. Yeah, I lied. Yeah, I lied to catch your eye. And I wish I got to know your head. You seem cold, but you killed me dead. Yeah, I tried to catch your eye. Yeah, I tried. And I won't try to see you and leave me to rot inside my head. In my head. In my head.
On my closet. It's, you know, I haven't really been wearing clothes because I wear the same thing every single day, but switch out up there, I have summer stuff, and by the time we get to leave the house again, it's gonna be warm, or it could be cold, could be next year, we don't know. So I'm gonna swap out that because I feel like that could be a nice switch and put away all of my like really heavy winter jackets to clear up some room in my closet. Until Isabel's done working so I can get her opinion on some of the summer clothes I just pulled out. I feel like I can weed through some things and put them on Depop, but I want a second opinion, so I'm gonna wait for that. So check that in later. Definitely have just like a few more areas in my house that I could go in on organizing, but I feel pretty good right now where we're at. I think it's good to like kind of break it up into chunks because otherwise it can be a little overwhelming. So closet's feeling good, kitchen's feeling really good. I just did my dresser. It's just nice to have your space like all set up and make a place for everything, kind of declutter things, just especially since we're spending so much time at home right now. I think that will make all of our mental health better and our brains just like less cluttered. So hopefully you enjoyed this one and I will see you in the next one.